Alrighty guys, so we are in the beautiful white R32 GTR. This thing is fully built. It's got a whole sequential setup, man. Holy moly, this is kind of crazy, man. This has been my dream car to drive. My cousin had a R32, just a GTT, I think, or I'm not sure. It was just not a GTR, and it was kind of broken. Like, it just didn't run very well. But the point is, sitting in here, you can right away tell this is like a fully upgraded beast, right? Like, you got the AEM ECU and the whole gauge and everything over there, the dash, and I believe I'm not sure. Oh shoot, anti-lag, launch. Damn, are these actually functional?
They're all actually functional. We won't be using all of them, but they are
yeah.
There is launch control. There is anti-lag. There is you can change from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive.
That's nuts.
You can use this right here to I call it my thunder button, where you can go from exhaust being somewhat loud to exhaust being really loud.
Holy.
Because it's basically a valve to go basically pretty much an open header. And then you can turn on the extra fan, or you can turn on the extra fuel pump right there as well. And then these two blank ones, we haven't put anything in for those yet, but I can figure out something cool to add right there as well.
And then extra 500 horsepower.
Extra 500 horsepower right here on tap.
Crap.
Danger to manifold. Let's go.
That's it. That's it. So yeah, this thing's making about 675, right, or something?
675 to the wheels. It has a single turbo on it. It's an 8374 Borg Warner, fully built RB26, 262 Pong cams from Tomei, full exhaust from Tomei. Have a Samsonite sequential 5-speed transmission with straight cut gears on it. This thing's super loud, super quick, super awesome. It has a Tilton twin disc clutch on it as well, and then a bunch of other little goodies, big fuel pumps.
All right, well, let's get this thing started up, man. Oof. Oh, it started us like a dream, man.
Hit that button right there to make it even louder.
Oh yeah, that valve opened right up.
Yeah.
Holy. Had a very quick response to the accelerator. That's crazy. All right, well, let's get in gear and get this thing rolling, man. Gotta make sure my audio is good there. Yep. We've got the 3D audio setup sound on my pretty much my ears here. So what I hear is what you guys hear, and this thing is gonna be loud. So
you want to put the handbrake down first.
Oh yeah, shoot. How do you think of that?
You have to ride the clutch a bit because pull it back.
Oh yeah. Wow, so it goes way in.
You hold the clutch all the way down?
Not all the way down. That's crazy.
Wait, you gotta put it. Hold on. There we go. All right, now turn it back on. Let go of the clutch. All right, now turn it on. Try it again. Let go of the clutch.
Clutch is off.
Gas it up. Okay. Turn it all the way off, and then turn it back on. All right.
Okay. Damn.
So
the clutch, bro, I press the clutch from here to here, but it goes way.
Yeah, all the way down, all the way down. Put the clutch all the way down.
So yeah, it's crazy because I have a RSX. Basically, the clutch goes down this much. This is going woo.
Yeah.
Holy.
All the way down.
Right. All the way down. All right.
Yeah, pull that back and then slowly let out the clutch. Yeah. More gas. There you go.
Okay. Holy. So while driving and shifting at lower RPMs, am I pressing the clutch all the way down again, or midway?
Not all the way down, just more midway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just getting it going is what's up there.
That makes sense. Let me test that right now.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, beautiful. It shifts pretty nice.
Yeah. And when you're shifting, you just gotta pull it. You gotta pull it hard. It's supposed to be aggressive. Now you need to clutch in, downshift. Yep, there you go, right there.
It's my shoes, man. The shoes super soft. Like my shoes bending. You gotta have a nice shoe setup for this. Oh crap, indicator?
Oh, yeah, it's on that. Yeah.
Holy, that confused me.
You're good, go left. You're good. Go left.
I'll let him go first.
Oh, yeah. No, you're good.
Oh.
First.
He's waiting for me still, okay. pretty easy once you're rolling. Okay.
Yeah, once you're rolling, it's a lot easier.
Okay, wow. Oh, those gears are pretty loud, huh? Woo. Love it, man, love it. Very solid suspension. So have you upgraded the suspension?
Yeah, so suspension is upgraded as well. I have field coilovers, all four corners. They, you know, a lot of people use them in the drift world. They're really solid coilovers. I use them on my drift car as well, and I love them there. So I just put them on this car, and it's been great. It feels really good. The ride's smooth. It handles well. It's nice and stiff, but it's not too crazy.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
Yeah,
race car level, but not like in a annoying way. Yeah, yeah. This is awesome, man. So for downshifting, basically, I press the clutch, rev it up a little.
You don't have to rev it up. Just press the clutch and just.
Oh, okay.
Boom. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And when you release the clutch, I just usually release a little bit slower on the downshift, just so it's not super harsh on it.
Okay. That's the gear number and everything. Nice.
Seconds to go on the first. There you go. Good, good.
So what am I expecting from those tires? It's all-wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive, but they will spin.
They will spin, right? Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot of power on this thing, and it comes in pretty quick, so they will spin.
So like in third gear, would it spin too, or like on lower
third
speed?
gear, no, but first for sure. Second, maybe.
A little bit, yeah.
Third probably won't.
Wow.
The car has a little quirk with it right now, where it's not really great with hard throttle acceleration.
Yeah.
It's more of you just got to be in it or like chilling, you know. So if your car throttle sometimes
It's gonna bubble. That's literally my RSX. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's doing that. I don't know why.
Well, you got to pull that thing.
Yeah, you got.
Okay. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, you got to really pull it. I went like lightly, but it didn't go. It didn't want to go. Wow.
Yeah, you gotta pull it hard. Like, boom, there's
That's
no light
crazy.
with this thing.
That's awesome.
I would say shift sooner though, short shift, and just convert close.
Okay. That's crazy.
You have to, if you just softly, it will not shift.
I was pulling it though.
No.
Or am I that weak?
Yeah,
Or like sudden?
Just park on the hill right now.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go. Get gas.
I couldn't hear you.
Look up the gas like a shift.
What
I
happened?
think that's what also too as well.
Oh.
It's not an automatic downshift.
Yeah.
So you gotta lift when you shift.
Oh, okay. I didn't do that.
Yeah,
oh,
that's why I
okay.
wasn't wanting to shift.
Oh, that makes sense now. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. But I would say let's not go all the way through the RPM.
Okay.
Just because we're
It climbs quick, man. It's
climbing
crazy.
super quick.
Yeah. Now I know what it was. So I was not letting off the accelerator.
Yeah,
Okay.
you know, yeah. I was wondering, I was like, why didn't they shift it? I was like, oh, because you're in the front.
Cause I was pulling it, man. I'm like, what? Am I that weak?
They won't let you shift if you're still in the throttle.
Yeah.
Because I don't have it where flash shift is on. You run over in the lane a little bit more than
Oh, okay. Right. Oh my God, that's crazy.
Like in this lane.
Guys, this is a right-hand drive. I forgot about that. I was just driving like an American car, you know.
It's like a U-turn right here.
Okay.
Like a U-turn. Actually, just turn to his neighborhood and turn.
Okay.
That'll be easier.
So that's why these cars are fun to drive, because they're rough. They're crazy.
Yeah.
You know, it's not just anyone can just drive it. I'm trying to understand everything, and I see what you're talking about. It's like a little beast.
Yeah.
You have to know this thing. You can't just like the C8. We just got in. Let's go. You know.
This
is a whole.
super easy. It's
Yeah.
like, you know, it's meant
Left?
for just just U-turn. Just make a U-turn.
Okay, okay. Stay first. Oh yeah, those gears are rough. Yeah, this is exactly how my RSX feels, except it's just not sequential.
Yeah.
It's got the straight cut gears, so they make it really rough.
Yep. So you'll make a right here, and then there you go. Wait to hit it after you get past this.
All right. After the light, you said, right?
Yeah. A lot of people playing in this area and stuff. So.
It's beautiful, man. Look at this. Wow.
And you can just short shift it over here too as well. I wouldn't go through the whole RPM.
Yeah.
It scares some people.
There it is. Woo! God damn! Oh, bro, that's crazy. That's got okay. That's the thing. I would take some time to get used to. Holy, I can't feel that my car is there. I'm thinking more over here. It's crazy. I'm glad you're sitting with me and telling me that.
Yeah. Luckily, there's no median and curve.
Right?
Make a left here.
Alright.
Downshift first. There you go. Make a left. Short shift it. Don't go too hard. Right. There you go.
Oh yeah. You got it, man. Guys, look at this place, bro. This is like heaven. I'm in R32 GTR, and this place is heaven, bro. Wow.
Yeah, C6Z, C7Z, C8Z, R32 GTR, R34 GTR.
So sick, man. So is this what you do if you have like a stressful day? You just come out and pretty much have a nice little drive.
Sometimes just do a drive, yeah. You know, might go to the canyons, like just drive on the highways and
Yeah.
cruise, or just go take it to the track.
Track, that's it.
Each week you can go to the 8th.
Have you run this on 1/4?
I haven't run on the quarter yet. No, not the quarter yet. Downshift. Yep, a little more. There you go. Make a left.
Thing's
Clutch and
amazing.
upshift, clutch and an upshift.
Yeah, I was watching. That's why I had the clutch down already. I couldn't make a decision like, do I upshift now or slow down? Crazy. As you can tell, I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, this car,
It makes you nervous. It's
yeah,
supposed to make you nervous.
It's so powerful, it's so quick,
Yeah.
it's so loud, there's so much happening. It like takes like even my
Oh,
first
yeah,
time
yeah.
getting the car back after we put the sequential in and we did the motor build and
Yeah.
the turbo. You know, it was a lot for me. I was like, whoa, like what's because there's so much going on. So
Right.
keep going straight. So it took a little while for me to even. I remember the first time I did a street test with it with my tutor.
Yeah.
He was like, yeah, hit it, and I'm like, I want to go all the way. I'm
Yeah.
like, I don't know what this car is anymore. I'm still
Right.
learning it. So yeah, it is a lot, especially for the first time to drive.
Oh yeah.
After you get used to it, and then you kind of know
Oh,
what
I
to do.
can't
and all
see
that
nothing
stuff.
with that
You're
sun.
good. Yeah, there's a stop sign down there, and then you'll make a right at this stop sign.
All right.
Downshift. There you go. Downshift one more time.
Thing's a beast, man.
Go left right here.
that sound.
You can drive straight.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
It's pretty high up.
yeah, yeah. The front end is actually not too bad. This car's so aggressive. Everything about it.
Yeah.
Then when you lift the throttle, it's just like.
It's like, yeah. No, this is literally, yeah.
It's a
If
race
you,
car.
I would love to. If you ever come to Chicago, I want you to drive the RSX.
Oh yeah.
I would
for
love
sure.
to see you drive because
Oh,
you
for sure.
you already have a car
Yeah.
that has straight cut gears and blah blah
Yeah.
blah. You know, so
And
I would
this-
love to see you.
This used to be H pattern straight cut gears, and then I switched
Okay.
to the sequential.
So what do you think? Because I would love to go that route, but I just don't know. Is it gonna be something I'm gonna be sad about?
Just pause right here. Just
Alright.
hold on. Just come to a stop and hold the clutch.
Yeah. Holding clutch.
Hold clutch. Okay. Now you're gonna do that. Here, I got it for you. Oh, you're good.
Alright, neutral.
You're good.
Oh man, this was insane. This was amazing. I love the way this thing drives. Holy. Woo. This is sick as hell freaking build, man.